A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 6, from verse 1 to verse 7. In a them day, the group of people who believe in Jesus did grow more and more. The woman them were Jew and we taught the Greek language, who for husband them did dead. Start mumble under the quiet against the woman them were Jew, where uncle taught the Jew language, and who for husband them did dead too. Them did a mumble, say they never did get for them share the money and food where them did forget at daytime. So the 12 apostles them call one meeting with all of the people who believe in Jesus to sort out the matter. Them said to them, say, it wouldn't right for we tap spread God message about Jesus, we go share up money and food for the woman them where husband dead. So brother and sister, uno pick 7 men from amongst uno. Everybody must say they make the Holy Spirit control them life and them well wise. We will put them in charge of the work, yeah? And for we work, we be for pray and spread God message about Jesus. All of the people them where they believe in Jesus did happy for do what the apostle them did say them for do. So them pick Stephen, one man who believe in a God enough and where the Holy Spirit control. And then pick Philip, Prochorus, Nicanor, Timon, Parmenas, and Nicholas, where did turn one Jew and where did come from Antioch. Then put them man here for turn up in front of the apostle them, and then put them on their head and pray for them. God message about Jesus spread more and more people believe in Jesus, and one whole heap of the priests them believe the good news too. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.